Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with a product that's been making waves: the Life Extension Bone Restore with Vitamin K2. Now, if you're someone who's conscious about bone health, this is the one for you. Allow me to tell you why this particular bone supplement stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about what sets this apart. This isn't just any bone supplement, folks. It's the best Life Extension Bone Restore with K2 available in the market. What makes it so special? Well, for starters, it's packed with vitamin K2, a crucial nutrient for bone health. And not just that, it comes in a convenient capsule form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. But what really matters are the results, right? Well, let me tell you, the benefits of this supplement are truly remarkable. With regular use, users report improved bone density, stronger bones, and overall better bone health. Plus, it's tested for heavy metals, ensuring you're getting a high-quality product that's safe for consumption. Now, let's talk about what people are saying. They mention how it provides great nutritional support and offers excellent value for money. And hey, when your chiropractor gives it a thumbs up, you know you're onto something good. But don't just take my word for it. Let's compare it with similar products on the market. When you look at the quality, the value for money, and the sheer effectiveness, it's clear that the Life Extension Bone Restore with K2 stands head and shoulders above the rest. And there you have it, folks. The best Life Extension Bone Restore with K2 available in the market today. If you're serious about your bone health, this is the supplement for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay healthy.